Hey people, I just want to get this over with quickly and stuff. I just want to do this unboxing video because I don't really feel like doing one of these videos, but I'm just going to do it right now. And this is... Can't really see much in there. Yeah, it is the question that I think it is. It's match. Only pencil we're here to see this. Did somebody say pencil? Give me the scissors. Yes! We got match. Cool. And stuff. Oh, I like this plush. This is very soft. I like this. Oh, you can even do the little thing. That's very cool and cute. But with that said, that's also saying I have the whole alliance. Yay! I am genuinely so happy that I have all of the alliance. Like, look at that. That is so happy to hear. But the question is, which free smarter would win in a fight? Pop. And your lights are on fire. Yeah, fire. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Oh. Huh? Where am I? You're gonna die. I'm dead. I'm obviously gonna win against you too. I'm going to quote unquote stomp you out. No, don't squish me. I'm dead. What the what? Yeah. That is my very quick and nonchalant video. Thank you for watching. And here's a quick little note or fact. In case if you didn't already know, BFPI season 4 episode 14 is coming out next week. So, yeah.